Automatic pool cleaners, or pool vacuums, remove debris from the surface of the pool floor and walls. While some cleaners are powered by your pool's suction or water pressure, newer robotic cleaners have their own power source and container to avoid straining your pool's existing equipment. Some non-robotic cleaners have their own containers, while others use your pool's existing filtration equipment to house debris. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 pool cleaners on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, features, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Dolphin Nautilus CC Supreme Robotic Pool Vacuum Cleaner. For the best pool cleaner for fine debris that may be hard to clean, consider the Dolphin Nautilus CC Supreme. The unit's waterline mode is a must for protecting decorative tiles around the pool perimeter and keeping them clean. The CC Supreme will spend about 2 hours scrubbing away, including the waterline and grime that can form calcium deposits that discolor your tile and grout, that includes dirt and dust, as well as sunscreen and your body's natural oils. The cleaner was only able to climb the first step of our pool, but we still felt the pool was cleaned well. We like that the accompanying app allows you to monitor the cleaning cycle status, as well as when the filters need to be changed. Unlike some other designs, the model has a third brush in the center that rotates faster than the other two, so it's good for breaking up sticky goop. Number 2. Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus Robotic Pool Vacuum Cleaner. No matter your pool shape, style, and surface material, the Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus Robotic Pool Cleaner is sure to get the job done. The best pool cleaner for in-ground pools is compatible with various pool shapes and has a brushing system that cleans walls and floors. The model has 2 brushes, one at the top and the other on the bottom, each of which will collect ultrafine dirt and dust particles as well as catch things like leaves and pebbles. The robot is also able to scale both the walls and the floor, so you don't have to break out your net. One of the best parts about the cleaner is that it is a true set and forget robot. To use it, all you have to do is press one button, place it in the pool, and let it do its job. Within 2 hours your pool will be clean. Number 3. Poolmaster 28300 Swimming Pool Leaf Vacuum Head. Whether you have a smaller pool or are in the market for a less expensive option, this Poolmaster model is the best pool cleaner to consider. We found it to be lightweight and easy to set up and use. Unlike some other pool cleaners, this model requires you to attach your own hose, which means you need water constantly running. You'll also need to attach it to a pole, sold separately, and manually guide the wheeled vacuum through the pool, so it's ideal for smaller pools. Luckily, it's a lightweight option that we found easy to use. This pool cleaner is meant to clean larger debris and we found that it was effective in doing just that. After cleaning, it was easy to detach the included mesh bag and remove the leaves and other debris that was collected. Weight, 1.82 pounds, suggested pool type, above ground. Number 4. Swimming Pool Wall and Tile Brush. The swimming pool wall and tile brush is less expensive than other styles and is the best pool cleaner if you don't mind a manual style. The 18-inch aluminum brush is lightweight and allows you to clean even the smallest areas of your pool. Unlike other pool cleaners, this option doesn't require any setup. All you have to do is connect the brush to a pole, though keep in mind that you'll have to purchase it separately. As you guide it through your pool, you'll appreciate the curved design, which makes it easy to clean the hard-to-reach corners. The brush has rust-resistant paint, so you won't have to worry about staying in good shape over time. Plus, the nylon bristles are designed to be durable, but they won't scratch up your pool. We noted that the brush was great for cleaning walls and scrubbing the bottom of their pool. Number 5. Dolphin Nautilus CC Robotic Pool Vacuum Cleaner. Overall, the best pool cleaner is the Dolphin Nautilus CC Automatic Robotic Pool Cleaner. We appreciated that the robot came pre-assembled, so it was easy to set up and use. Plus, we felt that the ease of use and price made this pick a great value. The pool cleaner, which can be used in either an above-ground or in-ground pool, is just under 14 pounds. We appreciated that it was lightweight and noted that the built-in handle made it easier to pick up and carry. Our pool is surrounded by a cedar elm tree and bamboo, so we typically have to remove leaves from the pool about once a week. This pool cleaner was able to remove a basket of leaves with each use. Plus, the filter compartment was easy to access and caught pollen and sediment. Overall, however, we would recommend the cleaner. Please like, comment, share, subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.